I think most people are using AI the wrong way. I used to do that too, just asking it to write things or fix things. But now I use it like a thinking partner, not just a tool. And honestly, that changed everything.
Welcome to the official FineVoice channel. So, what do you think about her? Stunning, right? That smile, that look, it's hard not to stare, but she doesn't exist. And this isn't just a visual trick. It's a sign that the way we create is changing. If you're a creator, you know the struggle. It's always been a trade-off. On camera is personal, but it's a trap. Everything depends on you, your time, your energy, your presence. Scaling is hard. Consistency too. Faceless content scales easier, but it's harder to build a real connection. Yeah, you can boost watch time with edits, pacing, hooks, but it's hard to bridge the gap because people don't just watch content, they connect with the presence. Now, FineVoice changes that. Whether you're a talking head creator who wants to clone yourself and produce content faster, or a faceless channel trying to bring a real human presence into your videos, FineVoice lets you turn realistic or stylized portraits into perfectly lip-synced avatar videos in minutes. Today I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's jump in. Image preparation. Alright, before we generate the video, we need to talk about the image. For on-camera creators, it's easy. Just snap a clean, well-lit selfie, and you're set. That's literally it. If you're trying to build a faceless channel using AI with realistic human characters, then you'll need a solid image prompt to get there. The better your prompt is, the better your final result will be. The golden rule stays the same: sharp, clean, and front-facing. Now here's a trick that makes everything easier. Set the AI's role as a master AI artist. Just give it a rough idea, let it refine the prompt, then tweak and retry until it looks right. And if you want a shortcut, I also left some super prompts in the description and comments. Just plug them in and you're good to go. Video creation. Once your image is ready, head over to FineVoice, sign up or log in, then open the AI talking photo generator. You have 3 different options here. You can type your script and use text-to-speech, or upload your own audio file, or simply record your voice directly inside FineVoice. Then upload your image, and if you don't have one, just pick from our public avatars and get started right away. You can use 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok, or 16:9 for regular videos. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see 2 options here. First, talking photo. This is great for quick and simple animations, perfect for fast content creation. Then there's Talking Photo Max. This gives you more realistic lip sync, smoother motion, and more expressive results, ideal for higher quality videos. There's also a prompt box if you want to guide the character's actions or describe the scene. With the Talking Photo model, you can choose between 480p or 720p for a clearer, sharper result. Talking Photo Max already comes with enhanced quality, so there's no resolution option to select. Once everything's set, just hit generate. You'll get a natural, perfectly synced talking avatar video. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
Okay, nobody is talking about this. I literally wish someone told me this sooner because it changed everything.
Fix lip sync. But at this point, you might be thinking, what if I already have a video but the lip sync isn't perfect? No worries, we've got you covered. You can use our AI lip sync feature to fix it instantly and achieve perfectly synchronized speech. You have 3 ways to provide audio: type text, upload an audio file, or record directly inside FineVoice. Once your audio is ready, just upload your video. Here's the original clip before lip sync.
Stop scrolling. This is why your AI videos look fake.
Then just hit generate, and FineVoice will handle the lip sync for you automatically. Now let's take a look at the final result.
There's something important to understand.
What makes it powerful? Once your image comes to life, you'll see why FineVoice is so impressive. It combines the scalability of faceless content with the trust and connection of real face-to-camera videos. The whole process is fast, simple, and effortless. What you can do with it. Perfect for social media, education, product promotions, or personalized content, anywhere you want to turn images into eye-catching videos effortlessly. Start here. Want to level up your AI avatar videos? Check out FineVoice with the link below. If this hack helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.